Alright guys, sorry the mic was off so long, but I have to turn it off again because I have to go do something real quick. So yeah, I'll be off for a few more seconds, just watch the train go by and stuff. I didn't forget to do my intro, I said it and I forgot the mic was off until now. So, hi guys, welcome to the video. I hope you're enjoying it so far. Hopefully it doesn't tell me that I was gonna turn it off. Oh Jesus, oh crap, Canada just coming in, pushing me around. Uh-oh. That helps, but at the same time, it's kind of crushing me. Okay. Canada just stole my train and took it and said, Vamos bit. Okay. So, I guess I gotta get my train back now. He's not gonna be able to push 4 engines. Right? 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 Can't do it. Even though he's going at full speed. My max speed is like 100 miles an hour. I'm pretty sure you guys saw that, so, I don't know what I'm gonna do at this point. Your phone is overheated. Cool it down now? Nah, we're good. Just keep it toasty. Alright. Should have put the coupler to not. Should have got to those coupler options and not coupled it to anything. Instead of to not couple. Man, this V-Rail engine just came out of nowhere on that curve, and I was like, oh no, this is gonna end it right. It's gonna end it right here. I'm gonna go terribly fast. Yeah, but he's gonna push me. I may have to delete this dude before whoever owns it comes to get it. Yeah, that should do it. Not even gonna bother. It's not my train. It's not my deal. So yeah, we're gonna I'm pretty sure there was an engine right there. Alright. I'm pretty sure there was someone right there. What happened? You know what? Forget it. Just keep going. It's the most unusual contest I've ever seen, but just keep going. Oh man, that is much faster. Oh wow, wait, stop. I'm going at like 400 miles and like 300 miles an hour because I set all of them to 100. Just to help the lag so I can move along. Yeah, I was gonna do something until that V-Rail just smashed right into the back of my train and then deleted my engine. Somehow, I don't even know how I do that. Don't even know if I did that. Did I do that? Did I do that? I don't think I did that. Oh no, what, did I do that? Did I do this up here? No, please I didn't do this up here. Please I stopped just in time to not do this. Ah, Christ. Right. Oh, Southern Pacific. Second time, so my P30, my P42 is coming into contact with a F40PH of some kind. Dude, you're not gonna get your daylight back. Just stop. Just believe that. Yes, Kyle, don't even get any ideas. Yeah, we're not gonna talk about that. So yeah, we're gonna play something else, and it's gonna be even more fun than that. Hopefully it doesn't have a loading screen yet. Let's, where is it? Somewhere on here. Here it is. Alright guys, I really have to go do something right now, so turning the mic off. Alright guys, I have finished doing what I was supposed to do as a normal human being. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Got the Amtrak ACS 64 inbound Keystone region. Get the... Man, I really wish I could get that. Why'd you make it a Game Pass? And yeah, why'd you make that a... Well, it kind of makes sense. Even though Amtrak didn't stop replacing those until 2003. They're still kind of good. Northeast Regional. Nope. Let's get the inbound. I like the inbound. Alright, so we get a night run here, and the lights are on-ish. Doesn't look like the lights are on, but they're on, so... This is the best roll scale game ever. Like, there's sounds of it moving past you, like, at full speed, at faster speeds. It's even got all the marker lights right, too. If you saw that spawn back there with the like, entrail stuff, that's just the Avail of Liberty one. I'm pretty sure it won't come out until 2020. Yeah, I'm catching up to the end of the train here. I'm getting really laggy. That means I'm getting close, because it's right there, the nose of the ACS. Here's the thing. All these Kansas addresses, they're all in 2000. In the 2000s. I don't know what it is with that, because I don't think Amtrak has anything in its roster that contains 2000 anything. 2000 anything. Wouldn't it be ironic if we had an HHP8 with a running number of 2003? That was the year the last few were retired. Wouldn't it be ironic? It would be really ironic. Sorry for that. Just watch it go past slowly. Yeah, it is better than Walls in the Middle. Just because it doesn't matter. Let's get up here to a bridge or something. Then we can watch it speed right past us. And then after this we're gonna stand by and wait. We're gonna be going. No, that's not an incline. Never mind. Alright, this should be a good angle. I'm also gonna honk the horn. As you can see, it's approaching us. I'm gonna turn on the bell out also. Yeah, that's very fast, actually. We only got 3 people in the server, let's do this. Now, if I don't catch up to the train, it's gonna just roam around the map aimlessly. So yeah, I'm gonna go catch up to it real quick. Slow it down. Sorry, stop there. No, this gives us a moment to just sit around, walk around the Roskilde Northeast Corridor. I mean, it's exactly like the Northeast Corridor every single way. Let's take it at 50. Let's move along at 50 here. We're going at least a good 70? It's getting faster, I can tell. Oh. Constant faster speed, then it would be less laggy. That's why I'm gonna slow it down. Oh yeah, something you guys might notice from the Newark Bay Bridge. Hint, hint. It is the Newark Bay Bridge. I kind of gave it away there, so I'm just gonna tell you what it is. It's the Newark Bay Bridge, and we're gonna come up to it very, very soon. At least I think it's the Newark Bay Bridge. I think that in real life they tore it down, but in this Roskilde Northeast Corridor, they didn't tear it down yet. So, not yet, because it's been torn down in the 70s, I think. So yeah. Gonna increase the speed slightly. Only slightly now. Easy does it. This sounds like a horn that will go by like in a fast pace. It sounds like a kind of horn that a train would have if it was going at a faster pace. So So yeah, once we complete that, we'll not completely complete the loop, but when we complete the loop, we're gonna play something else. If you guys wanna play this, then you go to my profile, which is Flatface12. Mind you, there's an F in the middle, so when you go to look me up, either leave the F or just put the F there. It's either gonna not recognize me because I'm the only one with another F in my face. I mean, I said face, but yeah, seriously. If you want to play this game, I can't really put anything in the description yet. So, because I can't upload a computer. If I can't upload a computer, then I'm kind of stuck with putting links in the description for you guys. So, yeah. I'm also going to tell you, if you do search up my name with the 2 F's, then you're kind of out of luck, because it doesn't really come up as me. I'm not saying it comes up as anyone else, but it doesn't. It thinks I'm not real because I'm necessarily the only person with another F, because I mistakenly added that, and I correctly guessed it one time, and I was like, wait, what? I put another F in there. One day I made this account. I was like, I'm gonna put another. My mom was like, I'm gonna put another F in there without realizing it. Ha ha ha! It's all funny. Laugh it up now. Then I forget. Then I put another F in, and then I'm like, my mind just opened up. Like, oh wow. Yeah, I like to see these rushing down the Northeast Corridor one at a time. So we're gonna stop at the station. We're gonna stop at this station. It's gonna come on the other side of the track here.
So, little birdie told me your train got deleted. Dang, that stinks. Hey, buddy, you know what might work next time? Try slowing down a little bit. Your friend, Building to Trains.
What? Yo, that is so cool. Well, I mean, it's not cool that my train just got deleted, but that is so cool. It's gone now. It's completely gone. He told me to slow down and I didn't. Yo, this map just keeps getting better and better. I think the developer is an adult. Yo, man, that's so creepy. Thought I was gonna poop myself. Can you sense something? And I freaking jumped up like a dog jumping up to get a bone. I was like, oh my god, what is that? What is on my phone? And just look at the soundless subway, just smooth rolling down the track. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave you off with this. Hello. Sorry guys, I was a relative. Someone I know. Alright. So yeah, I didn't even know that was in there. It wasn't in the description when I checked it. So I backed the blue. Just want you to know that. So yeah, I do. Okay. What are some other roll scale games that I'm good at? Well, you can't really be good at a roll scale game. You just have to know how to play on a roll scale game. So at one time when I get to uploading on a computer, I will patrol. Well, so let me tell you guys a little story. It's story time with the F40PH here. Story time with F40. So one time I was playing my usual game of Mano County Police Patrol. If you don't know what that is, it's in Mano County Police Patrol. So one day I was playing it, and I joined a training without permission, and it told me I was banned. So I was like, it happened before, and I was like, yo, man, wait, that didn't ban me. But all of a sudden, when I tried to join Mano County to see if it did, it did. I couldn't join the game, and then the next day I still couldn't join it. So it was